Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at watch lists on the MatchTrader mobile platform. When you first open MatchTrader mobile, you will see two watch lists, your favorite and top movers. Top movers show symbols with a high daily change, up or down. Tap on any symbol and the whole list is displayed. You will note that the list is dynamic and automatically updates itself in real time. Tap on any symbol to reveal the chart, order ticket, and open positions, and we will look at all these in other videos. Your favorites watch list is where you will conduct most of your trading, and it operates exactly as the top movers list. Each symbol on the list shows us the spread, the bid price, the highs and lows on the day, and the percentage change on the day. If you have a position open, you will see the notification beside the symbol. Tap on a symbol and you will see the usual elements, including a blue star. Tapping on the blue star will remove the symbol from the favorites watch list. If you tap on all symbols, you will see everything categorized by asset classes plus a popular list. Open any one and you will see the symbols with the blue stars. A solid blue star indicates symbols on the favorites list, and stars with an outline only are not. Therefore, you may add or remove symbols by tapping on the stars. If you are in a different section of the app, simply tap on Trade to return to the watch lists. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.